Happy Monday! So, on today's episode of Real Army Housewives and Girlfriends, we're gonna learn how to scare the crap out of your SO. Stay tuned for step 1. Step 1, know the schedule. So, I know that he has to come home for lunch today because he has to change the air filters for one of the tenants. So, step 1, schedule check. 2, the setup. So, know what you're gonna do, know if you're gonna pop out, know if you're gonna throw something. Be prepared. For me, I'm the queen of pop-ups. Step 3, listen up because this is very important. Step 3, you must create some type of distraction. So, for me, my distraction is gonna be the bathroom fan because I'm always in the bathroom. He doesn't know. He wants to know what I'm doing, but he'll never. 4, find a hiding spot. Know where you're going, stick with it, commit to the spot. Don't move, don't breathe. My spot's gonna be over here. So I can just pop out of the corner. Just pop out. Okay, I hear the garage opening. It's time. Turn off the lights. Turn on the fan.
What are you doing, dude? Really?
Success.
What are you doing, dude? I told you I was coming home from work and then